I know you guys have been looking for a unique mobile setup that can help you to have a successful trading activities. And right here, we'll be checking out this mobile setup and how we can put it into use so that we can be making 50, 100, $500 on daily basis. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos and do your own personal research about it to know. You should be able to practice it on your demo account to know how it works first before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, look at the setup on my chart and you're going to see how beautiful it is. You can see at this point it was at the support zone and it started going up right from here. Check out this also, it came down, and of course these are some of the things you will be experiencing if you use this same setup on this chart. And if you should notice, it was when this crossed below here that it also happened around there and went up. Okay, so I will be sharing all these with you. Let me show you the setup first. Let me start by showing you the setup. Okay, let's go for the setup. Okay, these are what I'm having on the setup. On the main chart, I'm having two different moving average. In the window indicator, I'm having two different trading tools also. Okay, so the first moving average is this. You can do this screenshot so that you can have it set up on your own chart. This is the second one. You can also do the screenshot of the parameters so that you can have it set up on your own chart. Okay, now let's move on to the window indicator. I'm having this first. Okay, then next is this. Okay, so you can do the screenshot so that you can have it set up on your own chart. Okay, so now let's see how to put all this setup into use. Okay, first of all, I've been informing you in most of my videos that most of these assets are trend trading assets, so you need to understand the trend of the market, and that is the reason why we are using this setup. And of course, the window indicator, the setup in the window indicator is meant for us to confirm what we have on the main chart, and we are going to be putting the two into use right away. Okay, right here is when the market got to the support zone. Two different things can happen right here, and which gave birth to the two major strategies that we are known to on this channel. We have the CIT strategy, then we have the BRO strategy, but the first one that should come to our mind is the CIT strategy. And if this is not working, then we now go for the BRO strategy. Any of the two must work. That is the issue with this particular setup. Okay, so with this particular support zone, just from what we are saying, it is the CIT strategy that is working. You all know that. Okay, and of course we saw it right here that it has gotten to below 20. Okay, so because it has gotten to below 20, it means that the market has oversold. So we are expecting of the CIT strategy. We are expecting the CIT strategy to work here, but sometimes it can still break out from there and go for the BRO strategy. But this time around, the CIT strategy worked out well, and of course we had an upward crossing, and of course because we had an upward crossing, it gave us an opportunity to buy more, and the same thing also happened around there. So which means this side should be our entry point, and here should be our stop loss, where we put our stop loss. And this actually go up. It went up in our favor, which gives us more opportunity to buy from here. So you can see this is how you can trade successfully. I don't know if you are getting this. Okay, we got a setup, and of course this got below 20, which means that it has oversold already, and of course we should be getting ready to buy. Okay, the only thing we are waiting for is for this upward crossing, and it should also happen around there. Immediately it happens around there, it means that we should have our entry point around there, and of course we should put our stop loss at the support zone. Okay, and of course if this should move up, then we should adjust our stop loss to lock up some part of our profit right from there as we are trading till the very end of the trend. And where is the end of the trend? The end of the trend is starting from 70 and above. Okay, so once it is getting to 70, or it has gotten to 70, it means that the trend is about to come to an end, or it can come to an end any moment from there. Okay, so we should be getting ready from there. Okay, so it is either we close all our trades, or probably we lock up 80% of the profit at that point, and of course we keep on maintaining the 80% lockup in order for us to make more profit while the trading activities is still going. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it. So I will be stopping right there. You can try this out. It's also work out for a sell signal too. You can see this also resistance zone. We had the crossing right here. You can see when it was overbought, we had the crossing at above 80. So the two are in line with one another, and of course what you just need to do is to have your entry point around there and your stop loss at the resistance zone, and you keep on milking the market to the very end of the trend. Okay, so that is it. It is as easy as that. So you guys can go over this. Make sure you understand the strategy, have the setup in your chart, and practice on your demo account very well before trying it out on your real account. I prefer using 5-minute time frame, so you too can also use 5-minute time frame. It can also work for other time frame also, but personally I prefer using 5-minute time frame. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.